Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to start a new lesson of your Mall Science book, and the name of the lesson is Power of One, means making a difference. Children, we see many problems in our surrounding, but we do nothing to solve it. We think how alone we can make a change. This is true, but if each of us start making a small difference, we collectively make a big difference and bring out a great change in society. Children, this is a story of a man who made a difference by putting his heart and soul in throwing this starfish back into the water. Children, this person alone throwing the fish back to the water to save their lives. Now let us read this story and understand. One day a man was walking down a quiet and deserted Mexican beach at sunset. Children, deserted means the place without people, or a place where you cannot see any people. So, a man was walking down in that quiet and deserted Mexican beach, and the time was sunset. As he walked along, he began to see another man in the distance. As he grew nearer, he noticed that the local native kept leaning down, picking something up and throwing it out into the water. Children, native means a person lives in a particular place by birth. Okay? For example, we all are living in India, so we are native of India, right? Kept leaning down, picking something up and throwing it out into the water. Time and again, he kept hurling things out into the sea. Matlab, he was leaning, picking the starfish from the ground and throwing them back with great force in the water. As the man approached even closer, he noticed that the native man was picking up a starfish that had been washed away by the waves. Children, these starfish were lying on the coast side because of the force of water. Once at a time, he was throwing them back into the water. The man was puzzled to see this. He approached the native man and said, "Good evening, friend. I was wondering what are you doing?" The local native smiled and said, "I am throwing these starfish back into the sea. You see, it is a low tide right now, and all these starfish have been washed up onto the shore. If I don't throw them back into the sea, they will die here from lack of oxygen. These starfish lives in the seawater. and they breathe in water only. Okay, that's why this man was throwing all the starfishes back one by one into the water. I understand, the man replied, but there must be thousands of starfish on this beach. You cannot possibly throw all of them back. There are simply too many, and don't you realize this is happening on hundreds of beaches all up and down this coast? Can't you see that you can't possibly make a difference? The local native again smiled, bent down, and picked up yet another starfish. And as he threw it back into the sea, he replied, I made a difference to that one. Okay. Most of us act like the man in this story, who is puzzled to see the local native throwing starfish back in the sea. We believe that either we are too young, too old, too weak, or too insignificant to make a difference in our surroundings. But in reality, if each one of us contributes by making a small difference, we can end up making a big positive change in this world. It doesn't matter if it's your family, community, or country, it is always important to make a difference. So, children, you all have seen here, one person can make a difference in the society. One person, one idea can bring a drastic change in the society. Children, this story reminds us that the smallest thing can make a difference. And children, there are so many poor people around us. They do not get proper food. And if you cannot feed 100 of people, feed one, then only you can make a difference. Children, to you it might be something is small, but to that person it could mean the world in that particular moment. आपके लिए तो किसी भूखे को खाना खिलाना बहुत आसान है, लेकिन उस भूखे से पूछो जिसको उस मोमेंट पे वो खाना मिला है. So remember, children, never stop doing good and trying to make a difference in people's life. Hope you all have liked this story and understand the moral given in this story. So children, do not ever compromise your dream, your ideas. Always believe in your potential. Okay? Because you have a quality to change the world. So read this story once again and learn the question answers and word meaning. Thank you and have a good day.